I began teaching this to mothers with children in the school clinic in Eastbourne, England in the 1970s. I then wrote books about xylitol because nobody had ever heard of xylitol. And that is really part of my complete mouth care system. It is the bit that feeds the good bacteria. So we want to have some xylitol, little mint or chewing gum if you would like to chew gum. And I have videos on the use of xylitol, but it is a component part. You end every meal with a tooth protective food, and one of these tooth protective foods is xylitol. So the easiest thing for me to tell you is take 2 after meals 5 times a day. Xylitol works immediately. You put it in your mouth. You do not need to stick it in your mouth with some kind of adhesive or suck it slowly. Chew it up, enjoy it. This is all fun. There is nothing painful, annoying, or not fun about my complete mouth care system, or I wouldn't do it. It is easy. You are in charge of it. Nobody's telling you you have to do anything. What you will feel for yourself is the way it feels so good you want to do this. So this is the opposite of what most people consider oral health care. I want now to talk more about the way you use the complete mouth care system. And when you start using the complete mouth care system, you may want to get a kit like this. You don't have to. You can go to the grocery store. You can go on Amazon. I'm sorry if you live in other countries. I will address other countries in another video. Sometimes by going to my website and putting some effort into trying to match products, we have had people from other countries be quite successful. New Zealand and Australia are blessed with a distributor who stocks my products. We work with Grant, and he supplies Australia and New Zealand with everything you need and access to my videos and boot camp on the website where I teach. So you're good if you're in New Zealand, Australia. We're coming to England. We're going to be in Amazon, England soon. But for the time being, I'm going to simply talk about America and the complete mouth care system in America.